How to transfer home ownership smoothly after divorce. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you and your spouse owned a home together during your marriage, one of the biggest post-divorce decisions is what to do with the property. Whether one person is keeping the home or you're transferring ownership entirely, handling the process correctly is key to avoiding legal, financial, and emotional stress. If one spouse is keeping the home, the first step is making sure the divorce judgment clearly outlines who gets the property and what steps are required to finalize the transfer. This typically includes signing a quitclaim deed or interspousal transfer deed to officially remove the other spouse from the title. This document is then filed with the county recorder's office to make it legally binding. Next comes the financial side, the mortgage. Just because someone's name is removed from the title doesn't remove their name from the loan. If the loan is in both names, the person keeping the home should refinance the mortgage into their name only. This ensures the other person is no longer financially responsible and helps protect both parties' credit. Timing matters too. Make sure your divorce agreement sets a clear deadline for when the title transfer and refinance should be completed. Without deadlines, the process can drag on and create future problems, especially if payments are missed or someone decides to sell without notice. We worked with a client who was awarded the home in her divorce, but her ex never signed the deed. Years later, when she tried to sell, she discovered he was still listed on title, and she couldn't complete the sale until it was resolved. We helped her file the necessary documents, correct the oversight, and finally get full ownership in her name. At Divorce 661, we make sure home ownership transfers are done right. We prepare the correct deeds, file them with the court and county, and ensure the terms match your divorce judgment, so there are no surprises down the line. If you need help transferring a home after divorce or making sure your property settlement is legally complete, visit Divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll walk you through every step to ensure the process is smooth, legal, and fully enforceable.